Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything I picked up at the Sephora VIB sale. I'm super excited. I got several new items that I wanted to try out. I did repurchase some items that are favorites that I'm going to share with you. If you want to see what I picked up and what I think about them, keep on watching. But before you do, if you're new here, my name is Maria Luisa. And here on my channel, we believe that meaning me, that age is just a number, beauty is timeless, and we are, as they say, like fine wine, we only get better with age. So my goal here on YouTube is to help you feel that way by sharing beauty and fashion videos. Are you ready for this? So, this is my box. And got a list. I am so excited. I feel like a kid in a candy store.
I feel like a kid in a candy store.
So anyway, I just got my box and I've tried a few things out. So I have my thoughts on that. So let's start with my foundation. I got the new Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation, and very nice fancy top, and it's a glass bottle, but it's what I'm wearing right now and I really like it. It's more of a matte type of foundation, but you know, it really makes my skin look really nice and smooth, and so far I'm liking it. If you've tried it, let me know what you guys think. So that is the Luminous Silk Foundation. And then I picked up the Fresh Sugar Watermelon Hydrating Lip Balm. And I've tried a little bit of this. I don't know how I feel. I'm a little divided on this because it smells so amazing, like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, which is one of my favorite candies. This is what it looks like. As you can see, I've already dug into it, but I don't know, it seems to kind of get eaten up right away. I mean, it just kind of doesn't stay. It's very silky, don't get me wrong, but I don't know, I have very dry lips all the time to begin with, so I don't know if it's just me, but I don't feel like it's doing much besides making my lips smell amazing. So I don't know, I'll keep giving it a go and see what I think with time. But it says it's a Fresh Sugar Watermelon Hydrating Lip Balm. And then I got the Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint, because everything nowadays, there's a lot of cream, little squeezy tubes going on. Dewy Blush Lip Tint by Ciate. And that's what I'm wearing right now. It's a very subtle color. I picked up the color, what color is this one? Coconut. I picked up yeah, I guess that's a color. I picked up the color Coconut, and like I said, it's very subtle, and I think it'd be really pretty for an everyday, without wearing foundation and everything, everyday blush. So it's, so far this is the second time I've put it on, and I really like it. One thing I will tell you is the first time I put it on with my fingers, and it did move my foundation. So if you're going to put it on over foundation, the tip is to put it on your hand and dab your blush brush in it and kind of dab it on your cheeks, and that is the way that you won't erase your foundation underneath. Because I ended up with a hole of foundation I'm not happy about. So I picked up the new Kosas Super Creamy and Brightening Concealer, and it does brighten, and it is very creamy, and I'm really liking it, especially if you have dry under eyes, which, you know, we as mature women usually do. And I really love it, and it is definitely brightening, and it doesn't settle into my fine lines, especially since I set it with the powder right away. So far I love it. And then I picked up the Pat McGrath Under Eye Powder in Light, the Skin Fetish Blind Perfection, blurring under eye powder. Mouthful. And this is what it looks like. It looks white. I know at first you're just like, whoa, but it's very translucent. And again, with the Kosas concealer, it's just super brightening, and I really like that. I like this part of my face to be brightening, and it does not make your under eyes crepey. I am shocked, especially if you have mature skin. Totally 100% recommend this. I have so far been in love with this, so totally recommend that one. And then I did pick up the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder in medium 2, and this is what it looks like. Only I think I might have gotten a little bit of a darker color. I mean, it looks super light, but when I put it on, for some reason I feel like it looks, no, it is very bright. So I'm not sure if I'm not applying it properly or what's going on, because it seems to make my face look darker. So if anybody has any advice on what or can tell me what I'm doing wrong down in the comments, let me know. But I'm gonna keep working with it and see, maybe look at some other people's tutorials to see what I'm doing wrong, because I've heard beautiful, I've heard great things about it, but I don't know. It's not, it looks funny, and like I said, it looks like maybe I put too much on. I don't know, but I'll keep you guys posted. And then I got another color of the Huda Beauty lipstick, and this one is Wedding Day, and it's a really pretty color. I can't wait to try it. Let me show you guys. I had other colors, so ignore that from a previous tutorial. And look at that, isn't it pretty? That pink, I really like that pink, and I like the shape of the bullet. It's really kind of cool. So this one will be a favorite, and it's a magnetic top, which I like, because then it doesn't fall out in your purse and end up, your lipstick doesn't end up with little rocks, little dirt from the bottom of your purse. Oh, and then I got the Skin Sublime. That's the other thing. That's the only thing I didn't like about that eye powder, is that it comes with all these sequins, and when you open it, it's kind of like one of those trick pouches that, or like those things that you pull open and everything flies out on New Year's Eve. So I don't know how I feel about this, Pat. And then I did get another Pat McGrath concealer, and this one is a LM9. I have already the concealer and I really love it, but I ended up getting a darker one. Now, you're probably wondering, well, why didn't you just return this one? Because I like this one as well. I just needed a lighter one for to use under my eyes, or maybe even to correct, color correct under my foundation. So as you can see, one is lighter, one is a little bit deeper, and I can't wait to try this one under my eyes. I'm excited. And this one I use to cover any blemishes on the rest of my face. So that's why I have two. I picked up this mascara from Ilia. So I was watching a tutorial from Lisa Eldridge, and she recommended this Ilia mascara. And so far I like the little bristles on the wand. So I'm excited to try this one. And then I also picked up another Pharmacy Green Clean cleansing balm. I want to take advantage of the sale, and it's the Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, which is my ride or die so far. Right now it's the only thing I have been using for a year and a half. All right, I just came back from a sneeze. The YSL, my eye is twitching after that one. Woo. Lisa, and the YSL liquid lip color, and it's a new one. This wand is kind of interesting. It's kind of slanted. I don't know if you could see it. It's a beautiful deep red. I've heard that they have beautiful reds. It's this one right here. So I'm excited to try that one. And the color is Liz. Liz is the color. So got that one, and then I got a mini one from one of those Pharmacy Green Cleans, as well as one of my rewards. I had to pick that up since it was for free. And then it was 100 points. But then the Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury as well. Heard really great things about it. It has really good reviews. And I'm excited to try it out. And don't know if it smells. Oh, it's got like a big wand. Interesting. And which color did I get? Number 3, it's a light medium. And I think this will be great to put under your foundation and make your skin look luminous, or at least in the high points under your foundation. So I'm excited to try this. And then I picked up another pack of the Shiseido little powder, what are these called? Yeah, these little facial cotton pads are really, really nice. They're nice and soft, and they feel like they just caress your skin, especially since you need to be gentle with your skin. So these are perfect for taking off your eye makeup. I have one over here, let me want to show you. Especially for me that I have sensitive skin, it doesn't irritate my skin. It comes in these beautiful little, soft, not beautiful, oh yeah, they might be beautiful. These soft little puffs, so really nice. So I got that, and then I have the Viseart palette. This is the latest one. I've got the Petite Pro Chow Chow. Chow Chow sounds like isn't that like I could be wrong, but isn't that like a puppy breed? I mean a dog breed? I don't know. But this is the pink one, and I like, again, like I mentioned before, I love this travel size, and it's got like a magnetic closure. It's the first time I see it, actually. Let's look at it. Let's give it a look. So this is what it looks like. So pretty. These scream spring, summer to me. So we'll have to be doing a look with this one to be playing around. And last but not least, I've got the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types. Love this one. Since I tried it, I got a sample in my FabFitFun. I hate that name. FabFitFun box. I tried it out. I fell in love with it, and I took advantage and got one for the sale, because I feel that after I cleanse my face, I like to double cleanse, especially when I wear a lot of makeup and foundation. And this one does not leave my skin feeling tight, which is not a good thing. If your cleanser leaves your face feeling tight, it's not good. So this one, I like it. It smells like cucumbers. I love cucumbers. I love like when they serve at the spa, cucumber water. Anyway, I'm gonna stop thinking about spas right now since we can't go anyway. But that is everything I picked up at the Sephora VIB sale. I'm going to be doing another video trying them out and see what you guys think, testing out all these goodies. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.